the cringiest.
The cringe. You starting off.
Hi you guys.
Hi.
Welcome to our channel. My name's Tori.
And I'm Sebastian.
And today we're going to be acrylic pouring.
Pouring acrylic?
Pouring acrylic.
So our plan is we have all this acrylic paint and we're going to be pouring them in these cups and just setting the cups down, upside down, pop a hole in the top and just let the cup kind of do its thing and it'll come out real cool.
Can you explain that again?
One eternity later.
We're using the soap method.
The soap method, there are 3-ish different types of methods. There's one with an acrylic method where you drop little bits of acrylic in there and it should help loosen up, or latex, what was it?
Silicone?
Silicone, yeah. You drop little bits of silicone in there and it helps keep the paint from mixing. And then there's a water, which we have here, and dish soap method, which is what we're going to be doing. And then there's a isopropyl alcohol method, but we like the outlook of the soap and water one, and plus it's cheaper, so we're gonna go with that route. And then we have one canvas that we are gonna be using for testing. Then we have these fancy canvases with a thick edge that we're gonna use as our final product.
And they will go on the wall.
Yeah, we'll be hanging them in our apartment and showing y'all what it looks like. So
let's just get started. How much should I put in these big cups?
Tori.
Like that much?
I say just do all of it.
All of it.
Just. That's good.
Orange. So I'm gonna mix all my colors first. You also can make that out of banners, so.
Let's go sit down there. Well, the other paints barely have any. Well, they have more.
Base.
Very goopy. Now what we're gonna do is grab our canvas and flop. That, I need more paint. This isn't gonna go too great. Yeah, because the paint is supposed to build up the pressure. I think I should just lift it and let it go. Instead of poking the whole deal, I think we should just lift the cup.
What's going on with mine?
It's not going on? We definitely need more paint next time. Ooh. Ooh. It's very much blended. Definitely gonna have to use more paint next time. And I should probably add brighter colors like white in there.
I like the little splash of blue though.
Yeah, I do too. Yeah, I'm gonna make it look like Oregon or Iowa. And then I'm gonna pop the bubbles real quick. That looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
That looks pretty cool. Yeah. Not too shabby for a test. You know, the state of Iowa. And we'll let this dry.
Really, the white never even. That's why I said I wanted smaller cups.
Well, this is a test, and we're gonna put more paint in it.
Like I don't even think my. Okay.
Well, that looks pretty good.
And I don't think I put enough paint in because I don't think it's gonna even fill the canvas.
Well, we're gonna put more
Like
paint
it's
next
not
time.
even moving.
I like the color contrast you have.
Oh, here.
I think I'm ready for my final.
Alrighty, we're skipping to the final because we don't have enough paint. Okay, well it's coming out way faster this time.
That's good.
Wait a second. Okay, ready? Set. Woo.
Whoa, that used a whole lot of paint. Goodness me.
That's kind of chunky looking.
Mine's very green. I feel like I'm gonna try and agitate mine a little bit because I don't know where any of my orange and yellow went.
It just got overtaken by the.
Yeah, green took over. I'm gonna do a dollar. Come on. Keep her going. I'm gonna torch mine real quick. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Get those there.
So it's been 24 hours since we did all these paintings.
Mm-hmm.
The one in the middle we did off camera, and that's the one that looks the best.
This one is like a Mod Podge of both of our personal paintings put together. So you can kind of see like the blue from mine down here, all the pastel colors from hers just mixed in here, all the green I had in mine just drizzled about. So it's like we actually like this one a whole lot more. These are our original ones, and you can see a huge difference between what we started with to what we got to. So there's a huge difference in what the end result looked like. We definitely do like the new ones better. So.
And even though it's been 24 hours, they're still not completely dry yet. You're always given the option to use water-based gloss.
It's a polyurethane coat. It's just like a clear coat that helps protect it from any wear or tear.
We decided not to go that route because we just liked how it looks matte, but that's always an option.
Mm-hmm.
So Sebastian, what did you think of the outcome?
I thought it was pretty cool. I definitely wouldn't have used as much green because I'm not the biggest fan of the color green, but I still think it looks really cool. But I personally like the combination of ours combined better. If I were to do it differently though, I would have definitely just picked different colors. I actually like how it ended up.
I think that we needed more acrylic paint, like the...
That too, yeah.
What size were they? Like 8 ounce?
Yeah, they were like tiny bottles.
The 8 ounce bottles definitely aren't enough. They're enough for like one canvas. And once I finished this one, I ran out of blue for this one, so.
Yeah, if you're ever gonna do it in bulk, definitely buy bigger bottles of paint.
Overall, it was a fun project.
Yeah.
And we learned a lot, and maybe we'll do it again in the future with a different substitute. Like, instead of using soap, maybe we'll use silicone or try something different. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to our channel because we will be posting lots more arts and hobbies and crafts
and DIY and just all around fun stuff. So
yeah. So we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.